Ito po yung arrival ng ating mga NBI agents at the GSIS main building.
Napakita mo ba yung letter ni Rick Piloso?
Yes, sir. Teka muna. Merong letter yon. Pakitignan. In effect, their presence was backed up by a letter properly received at about 5 p.m. 5:08 p.m. of the same day. Okay, ito po yung mga NBI agents. Okay. To sum up, there are 29 NBI agents. Nung una kasing investigation natin, ang nakuha pa lang natin nakita through CCTVs is 21. And after the conduct of the continuing investigation, we accounted 29 of them.
Please take note that none of the NBA agents had tactical gear with them. They were dressed as NBA agents.
Sunod.
Yan, papapal ko sila.
And nag-withdraw.
The NBA agent withdrew behind the air conditioning duct units. And because he was being fired upon, he discharged a cover fire. One. Take note that the cover fire was because he was under the impression that he was under attack. 2, 3.
Take note na yung muzzle niya
It was not pointed towards the Senate. It was pointed as cover fire because he was retreating. Okay, and then play.
Okay. Okay, next CCTV. So, the next CCTV,
At this point, the officer in charge instructed the agents, do not engage, do not engage. So, they retreated. He was waiting for them. There was that's not a gunfire. Okay? He was waiting. The instructions were, do not engage. Agent Ledesma ba? Ledesma ba yung, sino yung, ano? De Leon. De Leon was in retreat. He was waiting. He was waiting. Forward a little. Forward a little.
forward.
There. Then that was after the exchange. But that was after the cover fire. He looked behind if there was anyone following him, and they both retreated towards the canteen.
Director, sorry si Tony Velasquez po ito. Sino po yung mga kasama ni Zian Ambrosio kanina?
NBI yun, oo.
Kanina,
O tao nyo yun, di ba?
kasama niya, kanina pa po yun, maaga yun, dahil may request lang po si GM Rick Piloso to
GM.
check the security of the perimeter. Kanina pa po yun.
Si GM.
Maaga pa po yun.
Attorney, yung sigawan daw ninyo with Senate President Cayetano at ni Senator Cayetano,
Ikwento nyo.
ikwento nyo ano nangyari, ba't nagsigawan daw kayo?
Ganito po,
May
actually,
message
ganito.
ka pumapa.
Actually, malakas yung boses ko kasi may tumutugtog kanina, kumakanta. Tumawa po si Senator Lawrence sa akin, ang unang opening sa akin, ang sabi, palisin nyo yung mga agent nyo rito, pinuputokan kami. So sabi ko, teka muna, wala ko kami mga ahente dyan. Saan ho, pahuli nyo ho? Tapay na nga yung pahuli nyo. Sabi ko ganun, wala kami kasi. Tapos nagkataasan na ng boses, sumisigaw na si Senator Pia from the background, naka-speaker pala ako. Sabi niya, do your job, find out kung sino.
So ang ibig sabihin, akala niya yung nagkaputukan, mga tauhan ninyo.
Yun na po, yun ang aligasyon po sa amin.
Oh.
Yun na po.
Kaya
Hindi
kailangan...
mo na kami tinanong.
Pero, Director, sino ang nagpaputok? NBI ba yun o PNP?
Hindi ko po alam dahil
Hindi pa
wala
nila
na po
alam.
kami roon.
ganito,
I cannot answer.
Hindi, pero